Take a look at this view, guys. So today, guys, we're going to be doing a POV video here in the hotel. This is the view from where we're staying. Okay, guys, remember Maya? I met Maya like in Barcelona about 6 months ago, maybe?
Yeah, approximately. Yeah, sure.
And she was one of my strangers in my video, so now I'm shooting at her hotel here in Blanes. It's amazing, guys, as you saw from the view before. And yeah, she's an amazing lady. So, ты можешь говорить по-русски тоже, потому что много людей, которые говорят по-русски.
Привет, ребята! Обязательно, обязательно приезжайте обязательно в наш отель и посмотрите, как красиво на море.
Yeah, and Maya's gonna be our first portrait today, so. Let's go here by the pool.
Okay. So I will show you our pool.
Yep.
It's very good.
I think you should sit here and do a portrait here.
Okay. Pues ya ves del reino.
Yes. Let's go more over here just to get you out of the sun.
Okay.
Yes, perfect. Oh, one sec. Okay, nice. They look good. And let's try one more over here. The sun. Oh, get him in. Yes. Retratos, retratos. They're looking at me.
Yeah. Смотрим туда.
Yep. Okay, yes, perfect. Look, guys.
Super,
Súper.
Looking good, guys.
Es bien, hacemos buena pareja.
Y tanto, y
Hacemos buena pareja. No lo digas al ángel, que me mata.
Y lo verá.
Hay cariños y cariños, ¿sabes? Del cielo.
Cariño mío, encanto de tu mamá. Yo estoy trabajando con este.
Una bonita aquí arriba y me dice, pero se acaba de pasar una persona delante mío.
Claro.
Y sería mi jefe.
Claro. Claro.
Pero bueno.
You guys want to try another one here? I love the view
Yes, because it's
with the
nice.
Miami. Okay.
It's Miami, we are inside.
Очень красивая, mira.
Es increíble. Diría que soy muy guapa. Es que habla en ruso. El neozelandés habla en ruso como nadie, ¿eh? Que te cagas de bien. Es un crack.
Mira.
Mira qué guay.
Qué guay.
Qué guay, ¿eh?
Yes! Man, mira, dice hola.
Hola.
YouTube. YouTube. Sí.
Ahí vas
youtuber,
escuchando.
Sí, sí,
Sí.
sí.
So a huge welcome to Blanes, you guys. I'm in love with this place. I've been coming here for a while now. And it's so lucky how I met Maya, and now I'm going to be working here in the hotel, shooting with them, and it's so cool. So I want to do a POV for you guys, show you around because it's such a beautiful area. It's like not that far too from Barcelona, so good. Back in the nature. Look at this part here, super cool as well. They have a workout area, volleyball net, some rings to do a workout. Hey guys, what's up? Mira, estoy grabando un video, Spanish or English?
English, wherever you want.
Where are you guys from?
Spanish.
Okay, cool. Well, English for the channel, yeah. I'm recording a video for my YouTube channel, taking photos of strangers, and it looks really cool in here. If you guys want a portrait. Sí, ¿me entiendes?
Sí, sí.
Sí.
Vale.
Yeah, it's for, YouTube.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. But guys, can you come over here? Not too far, won't be too far, just in here. Yeah. Where are you guys from? Are you from Blanes?
Yes.
So, ¿quieres juntos o
Juntos.
separados? Vale, juntos? Okay, so let's go together. Damn, the light looks amazing. Yeah, so stay like this. Okay, and can we try one, guys, looking out here, looking at the beach? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and let's try one more just over here. And maybe, do you want to stand here, one of you guys like leaning against the tree, looking like this?
Okay.
That's it. Okay, boom. And you want to try one too? Nice, man. And let's try one more actually standing here, Let's cross your arms. Cross your arms, looking like this. Perfect. Damn, these are dope.
Yeah, that looks great.
Yeah, so if you guys want, do you have your phone with you or something?
Yeah.
You can like take a picture of this and then... Okay. Okay, have a good one. ¿Te gustaría un retrato? Estoy grabando un video para mi canal de YouTube, sacando fotos de gente desconocida. Si quieres un retrato super chulo aquí. Yeah. ¿De dónde eres?
Vivo aquí, soy de Marruecos.
Ah, vale. Sí, te mando la foto también. Mira, aquí es súper chula porque hay luz súper bonita aquí atrás. Eso es un sitio súper chulo, tranquilo.
Sí, está bien aquí.
Yes, just stand like that, perfect. Let's get one with you looking this way. Ah, mirando ahí, a la playa. Sí.
Así.
Yes, perfect, perfect. Pero el cuerpo un poquito más a mí, pero solo mirando ahí. Yes, así. Súper chulos.
Tienes buena cámara.
Y mira. Yes. Ok. Okay, man. A ti también. Adios. You guys, look at the light through here. It's incredible. Hey, ¿qué tal? Mira,
¿Bien?
bien.
¿Cómo está?
Bien.
Vale.
Mire, estoy grabando un vídeo sacando fotos de gente desconocida para mi canal de YouTube.
Ajá.
Si quieres una foto
Bueno, yo
gratis.
quiero que me hace propaganda mi tienda.
Oh, mira,
Me pongo...
creo que aquí, si quieres un retrato y te mando la foto gratis.
Vale.
Sería chulo. Si quieres también.
No, yo quiero que me hace propaganda YouTube
Ajá.
o internet.
Sí.
Tienda de locales de Marina, esa es mía.
Look at, it's on YouTube ahora.
¿Sí?
Mira, guys. Come here to the store.
Mira, algo así.
Sí.
La mascarilla sí sale.
Pero la mascarilla. Sí. Ok, así, perfecto. Sí, así. Yep, una más así. Ok, y no me mires ahí.
Ah, vale.
Sí, pero lo mismo, sí. Pero me mires así. Mira.
Ya no me agarraron de mano, yo puedo acabarle también.
Pero súper chula,
Sí,
¿no?
chula.
Con la luz.
Una publicidad en mi tienda. Hola.
Mira, puedes...
¿Qué tal?
Okay, super guay. Oh, now you want to just be a model. Okay, mira, una más.
Muy bien, a ver.
Sí.
Vamos a llamar, voy a hacer...
Ahora quieres sacar todas las fotos. Sí. ¿Quieres una también?
Mírame.
Sí, así perfecto. Oh, no. Tu madre quiere todas las fotos.
Mira qué guapo.
Sí.
Cambia.
Cambia.
Mi hijo.
Oh, cool. Ok. 1, 2, 3. Mirando ahí. Yeah. Una más. Ok, a mí ahora. Ok, bye.
Vale.
Bye bye.
Vale, bye bye.
Thank you.
No problem.
Vale.
Man, look at this view, you guys. Hey, you guys.
Hi.
English or Spanish?
English.
English. I'm doing Or well, I can't do that one. I'm doing a video for my YouTube channel taking photos of strangers.
Yeah.
So if you guys want a portrait, I saw you guys taking pictures before.
Yeah.
I can like do you guys all together or like separately or whatever if you want one.
Sure,
Yeah.
no problem.
Okay, cool. All together?
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah. Okay, one sec. Are you guys from the Netherlands?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's how I guess the Dutch.
That's ones.
Yeah. Okay, so I think let's go down here and I'll get you guys a picture with this in the background. Found some victims. Awesome, and can we try one more with you guys like here on the rocks? So if we have, let's see the best. Okay, so if we have somebody standing down here, if we have everybody kind of at different heights, somebody else standing down here. Oh, actually, Chico, can you get like a little bit closer? Yeah, all of you guys on there. Oh, that looks super nice with the beach. But let's see. Even a little closer. It's like really close. Yeah. Okay, 1, 2, 3. And can we try maybe with the two guys? Yeah. I really like it. It's like turning into a shoot. Okay guys, perfect. Have a look.
Oh, that's nice. That's really nice.
Yeah.
And these ones with the city too.
Yeah, nice. Which YouTube channel is it?
I'll show you guys here. This one here, Who's Your Brad?
Yeah.
Take a picture from it.
Yeah. Yeah, I normally do this in Barcelona.
Okay.
But I'm here right now like shooting with a hotel.
Yeah.
So I thought I should smash some out while I'm here too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's fun. Yeah, I see you do lots of YouTube.
Yeah, you can.
Ah, cool. Okay, peeps, well, enjoy and see you around. All right, see you later. If you guys send me a message as well with the your email address, I'll send you guys the pictures. Okay, see you later.